As we celebrate our victories in the ongoing 2026 general elections, especially the resounding victory of Ajuri County, where the UPC candidate, Comrade Jalameso Fred, won and was finally declared the Member of Parliament elect, the 12th Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, following the rerun in the hotly contested 18 polling stations on January 27, 2026. The party calls upon all members and supporters to remain very focused and vigilant as we prepare for the election of the sub-county chairpersons and councillors representing parishes, as well as special interest groups elections. At this point, the party is very much thankful and appreciative the party president, Honorable James Jimmy Akena Bote, the party cabinet, the local party leadership, UPC elected MPs and those at local government, as well as the entire membership and supporters for beating all odds, rigorously protect and defend the will of the people in Ajuri County, where there were various attempts to rob UPC of its victory. Remember that on 15th of this month, UPC won by over 500 votes in Ajuri County, beating the government chief whip and the second member, Honorable Hamson Obua, but they declined to declare our candidate as MP elect. Even when they ordered for vote recounting on 17th of this very month, vote counting was done in the 160 polling stations, and the UPC was winning by over 1,500 votes. Then there are issues in the remaining 18 polling stations, and UPC had the error forms in those polling stations, and even when you added all those votes together, UPC was still winning. But again, the EC of that particular district declared Jalameso Fred as MP elect for Ajuri County. In the contrary, the 48 hours as per the constitution, but UPC not sit down, even when the commission insisted that we should go for a rerun those 18 polling stations. Still, UPC candidate emerged the winner. And to make everybody straight, by 15th, UPC was winning with a margin of 500 votes around there. But when they instructed a rerun, UPC's support instead increased, and by yesterday we are winning by with over 900 votes. So that one shows you that the people were determined, and UPC's role in that election was to protect and defend the will of the people of Ajuri, which indeed the UPC party president, his cabinet, members of parliament, and leaders on the ground vigorously protected, and he was finally declared as the MOB for that constituency. And we wish to congratulate Comrade Fred Jalameso for raising the UPC flag high, and also